fractions. You're welcome to Quiz Maths. I am Adedapo. In this video, we will learn how to identify different types of fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole. For instance, we have seen the whole apple and we have seen the apple being cut in small pieces. Those small pieces, they are no longer whole, but they are in fractions. The circle, the whole circle, now this other circle have been shaped into two. So it is no longer whole, it is in fraction and it's 1/2. This other circle is shaped into 4 equal parts. So it is no longer whole, it is fraction. Fraction is written like this: a number up, a dash, and another number under. The number on top is called numerator, while the number down is called the denominator. There are 3 types of fraction. One is the proper fraction. In a proper fraction, the numerator is always smaller than the denominator. When I talk of numerator, the number up is always smaller than the number under. So, a proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Example of proper fractions are 1/2. You can see that 1, which is the numerator, is smaller than the denominator, which is 2. 2/5, 7/8, 1/9, 3/10, 11/21, 7/30, 9/20. Another type of fraction is the improper fraction. Just as the name implies, improper. For instance, if a child carries a load that is far bigger than that child, maybe looking at it, you say it's not proper. How can this child carry this kind of heavy load? And the load is bigger than the child, it is not proper. So in numbers, it is like that. You can liken it to numbers. When you see a smaller number carrying a bigger number, it is not proper. So you can simply say it is an improper fraction. So in improper fraction, the bigger number is on top while the smaller one is under. The smaller number carries the big number. So improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Examples of improper fractions are 8/5, 7/6. You notice in those numbers that the numerators are bigger than the denominators. 10/3, 7/2, 13/4, 21/8, 9/2, 11/6. The third type of fraction is the mixed fraction or mixed number. You can call it either way, mixed fraction or mixed number. Just as the name implies, mixed, it means the numbers have been combined. A whole number and a proper fraction is being combined to have a mixed fraction. Example, a whole orange combined with half orange to have 1½ oranges. Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Examples of mixed fractions are 2 whole number, 1 over 2.
3 whole number, 2 over 5.
7 whole number, 3 over 4. 9 whole number, 1 over 3. Take note that all the fractions that is combined with the whole numbers are all proper fractions. Now, 10 whole number, 2 over 5. 6 whole number, 7 over 9. 8 whole number, 1 over 5. 28 whole number, 2 over 5. Now, let us identify the proper fraction, the improper fraction, and the mixed fraction in the following numbers. The first one is 1 whole number, 2 over 3. That is the mixed fraction. The next, 3 over 10, is a proper fraction. 9 over 2, the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so that's an improper fraction.
5 over 9, the numerator is smaller than the denominator, so that is a proper fraction.
11 over 4 is an improper fraction. 10 over 8, the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so that is an improper fraction. Now you know how to identify fractions. Thank you for watching. Bye.